नमस्ते ट्रेडर्स, आप सबका स्वागत है आफ्टर आवर्स विद बेरीज। ये पूरा हफ्ता आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मोमेंटम वीक्स आई वुड से द मार्केट हैज प्रेजेंटेड, है ना? एंड लाइक if you could catch one day the whole momentum, I think you would have made money for your 2 3 months. And I'm pretty sure I couldn't catch it. In fact, we were traveling and everything, but there will be traders who will come out and say, and there are traders who must have got the momentum. Even at one side and one trade, you would have taken and held the whole momentum. It would have been too good. So I was actively trading on the RBI budget day. A lot of people say you shouldn't trade the budget days. I believe volatility should be a trader's friend. Imagine people say volatile hai. Imagine the stock price don't move 1 rupee every day also. How would you trade? है ना? So yeah, let's like you should embrace the volatility. In fact, a trader should always embrace the volatility. No doubt. For now Gandhar will be like, नहीं नहीं, I don't want such weeks like this. मेरा पैसा तो नहीं बनेगा मेरे को नहीं चाहिए वोलेटिलिटी ऑप्शन सेलर्स को तो उनके अगर ये चले क्या बोलते हैं, इफ दे कुड कंट्रोल द होल मार्केट तो उन लोग तो सिर्फ 10 रुपए का रेंज रख के मस्त खुश रहते हैं, है ना? just keep selling for OTMs. So yeah.
We
So
would
now,
never get premiums in such markets, though.
yeah. See, so basically, it is a harmony of volatility and so this it's basically tides, है ना? Nature अगर मैं क्योंकि मैंने market को बहुत nature से मैंने so there has to be tides, no? The oceans also have their own ways. ठीक है. I don't want to. I can go on a rant and I don't want to do that. So coming back to the index analysis now, if you guys have been watching, this weekly level was very important because we did get two reactions out of it. And no doubt, clearly, we had broken the downside. And when we were traveling, me and Gandhar, I don't know if you guys remember, we had like this candle had just formed, and we had asked you to short at this level. Now that this level has been exceeded, and also the system that we used to make this level now is invalid. So that is why I'm going to remove this level in front of you guys. Okay. Uh, Other levels that I kept marked are price action levels. That level I can't disclose how we get it, but those level have their time validity. So that time validity for that level is over. So I have removed it in front of you guys. Now it's simple for me. I will also have to move this zone according to this high now. No doubt the price can can rotate from here. I'm not saying it won't, but I wouldn't give it preference on it. Like if you got 60 minutes, this is a gap that got filled and it did hyperextend. If you go in 30 minutes, in my Zeroda, I have this supply zone also marked, and I forgot. So now for me, I'm gonna shift my zone to here, and I'm gonna delete this zone. For me now, I'm gonna no doubt again. I'm saying the price will can revert from here, but I would wait for this entry because the RR is favorable. Now, if you see, it's a very big range, and I think it's see you see yeah, this range for me now becomes a no trade not no trade zone, but I will look to trade the extremes. So now for me, I want the price to come here. Once price comes here, no doubt the bias will be on the short side because if you see from yeah, right to left, generally we are in a decline. So let's keep the bias to the downside. I would wait for a inverted hammer. Now that you guys should know, I inverted hammers and hammers are the reversal pattern that we look for. If you would have really, I'll show you one hammer. This hammer was, imagine one hammer, and this is the exact one that I talk about. I want it to break previous lows and close above it, and that's a fake out plus a hammer. Always enter it. No doubt. I think you were traveling, no, this time, and this hammer was made.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, we were traveling. It's yeah,
Yep.
yeah, because
I
this
can
candle
see
happened. No,
my
this
screen
candle
also.
happened, and we were at the beach.
We were at the beach at that time.
No,
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 Hans,
no.
no.
We were at the
This.
beach on a non-working day.
Oh yeah, oh
The
yeah,
large candle formed on
yeah. The
Friday.
Friday. So we were Saturday.
Mm.
We were on the beach. So this is
Mm.
Monday. Okay. So yeah, continuing now. Now I would have. So this is this the level is 42,000. Wait for an inverted hammer to form to go short. And if you're a positional trader, I'm telling you, ranges, as I've told you, ranges move like they tend to revert. That is why they call a range. And if a nice inverted hammer forms, and if you have the conviction or the power to hold positionally shorts, I would keep a target or minimum this target of 1 minute. I can see of 40,000, which is a psychological error. So, and here you would have to keep a very small stop loss, a 100-point stop loss for imagine a 2,000 point drop. So, and that is what ranges offer the best RR. I always keep saying this, and I will always keep saying that. I think it's enough analysis for index because I don't want to complicate it. I might, in fact, like if you want to know an intraday trade that I might do tomorrow, is I might go long here and keep a target. If I get like if it doesn't open here, it opens in between this. I would go long here and keep a target, keep a stop loss below this candle. That's it. And I'll put the setup in the short that comes up in the morning, so you guys can have a better this to the exact trade from there. Now moving on to Nifty, I'm pretty sure the it's going. So I've been 1 minute. Okay. Okay, why does my Nifty? Okay. So I've been waiting for this to break since a long time, which is not breaking. Now here at in hourly, yeah. So this is a supply zone. I will keep the supply zone same over here because the next supply zone is here or the resistance. It's not a supply zone. This is our next resistance, and the next supply can be this. So these are two levels now that I've added. I will again wait for the price to come here, look for a reversal or the same. Is nothing, no difference. Let me mark out my supports. I have not marked out. Huh. So for Nifty, because this low is here, okay. Yeah, so this low and there's a confluence of this candle, so that for me is an support or a resistance. Yeah, I think, but yeah, this range, I have this. I think I said no. This month, I predict that the markets will be in this 17,350 to 17,900 because this week has given enough volatility for a month's time. I think I don't know. Markets are supreme. Moving on to stocks, I had Titan. No, Bajaj Finance. We've been giving Bajaj
Yeah,
Finance since a long time,
yeah.
and
Bajaj Finance we have been talking about. Yes.
so in Bajaj Finance, let's keep a breakout trade, which is 6,070. Yeah, just a simple breakout trade you can take and keep a target of this 6,200 or 6,300. You want to add anything here?
Yeah, Kshitij, we generally say we are not breakout traders. So why would we take this breakout in particular?
We wouldn't. I said if anybody wants to.
No, there is a reason why we would take this breakout.
Acha, yeah, oh, like that you want.
Ha.
Why
Yeah, yeah.
not? Because it's been, see, if you see in weekly, this demand zone has been marked, and no doubt it did go below it, but that doesn't mean, as Gandhar
Yes.
says, for him it's reaction levels. That
Yeah.
doesn't mean this demand don't get invalidated. No doubt they might get broken, and but now this is a weekly closing, right? And I'm pretty sure the range. In fact, here now that I zoom out, we could play it for a bigger range. Yeah? Like we could do it in cash where we could also have a target of 6,900 because if you
Yeah,
see
yeah.
it's a range. So
Yeah,
yeah,
and besides, I'm sorry, so sorry to cut you off, but this breakout is not the traditional breakout that usually see in the charts. Where the resistance has been
this
at the top of stocks range. This is somewhere near the supply zone, and if you see, it is just some sort of profit booking or some sort of selling that is coming just above our supply zone. So that's why. The similar thing we saw in Bank Nifty also when, if you guys remember, long time ago in November when we had just started this series. At that time, we had said that the October-November consolidation of Bank Nifty last year was one of the reasons why the breakout could sustain, because whatever selling pressure had to be absorbed was absorbed during the end of October, beginning of November time in Bank Nifty. And same logic applies here also. Whatever selling had to happen has happened near the demand zone, and from here, Bajaj Finance can actually shoot up. In fact, I was not paying attention to the market today. Otherwise, I would have added a little bit more of Bajaj Finance in my portfolio. I do intend to average my buy price down.
uh,
This was one.
also
Yeah,
it's if you technically this is not a breakout, this is a reversal trade. If you see,
It is,
I'm calling it
yes.
a breakout because for me, breaking a high is a breakout. But if you see, this you are playing a reversal trade. Breakouts would
Yeah,
be if you take a trade of 7,776. That's a technically that's a breakout.
yeah.
Yeah. So this is a reversal trade. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's good to. In fact, I would add if you want to add for a long-term cash portfolio, please feel free. I
Hmm.
am pretty sure nobody wants to check Bajaj Finance fundamentals. You are getting at a
Yeah,
discount. That's it. That is what you need to look at.
yes, 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 true. And another stock which we would like to uh, go to is Titan. Titan also has given a very strong move. In fact, today 7% almost, but
Yes.
it ended up at a resistance level. So
Yeah.
that sort of uh, and I feel like taking a reversal trade in Titan. I still don't feel it can test its all-time high just yet,
Something
but
like
we
this
will
can
see. I
happen.
have, yeah, yeah. No, Titan, I doubt Titan will stay in this a very short range for a long time, because Titan is another one of those stocks which where institutional holding is not much. So on the either side, there won't be much of the pressure to keep the stock range bound. If it starts moving in a direction, it will move. It will go on in a direction. So yeah, something like this. In fact, now that you have drawn this, I would say it can go up. It can test this downward sloping trend line, then come down for a week and then break out from here. That is a possible trade in Titan. But yeah, that's I am looking at it. 70p. It's almost fun. It's always funny to see price to earning ratio of Titan. कभी ऐसा 20 30 कभी कभी नहीं रहता. It's always some ridiculous number like 70 80 130. So guys, thanks for tuning into After Hours with Berries. This was Kshitij and Gandhar. Make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you get updated whenever we upload After Hours with Berries or Bank Nifty intraday setup in the morning. Thanks for watching.